These switches are invisible. These are the Invisiblin switches by Dane Keebs. These switches come with this really cool, transparent Japanese milk bottle style container, which is definitely one of a kind. They also came with this really cool Invisiblin decal and this really cool Dane Keebs decal. They come unlubed from factory, but in all honesty, they don't need to be lubed. These things are so freaking quiet. I'd say that's enough talking about them. Let's go ahead, throw them on my keyboard, and see how they sound. What do you guys think about these? Are they too quiet or not quiet enough?